My speaker. I'm saying I've noted. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I will come to the station. It's okay. I've noted they had a search warrant. Yes. They were searching for machetes and some other weapons which could be used for commission of any crime.
And did they say they found nothing?
They are refusing to confirm whether they have seen anything, or they are saying it will come from the PGHK.
We see there are more officers senior coming again. What is brewing?
I am not privy to. I have seen the last senior officer whom I saw first when I came. Are there any new officers?
There's one with a
I haven't seen him, but from what they have said so far, the community will come from PGHK.
So can people go? Can space?
I can't tell because they are still present. What they intend
so as a legal advisor, what would you advise your client?
They have searched, and if they have found what they wanted, they could have taken it. If they didn't, then there is nothing. So business can continue as usual.
So let's go home, guys.
Thank you.